Good morning, children. How are you? I think you are fine. I am also fine. Now we are discussing place value and face value. So we discuss place value and face value. Now we discuss the concept here. Face value, place value. Face value and place value. So here, for example, we know all the numbers. Know all the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that we know numbers, natural numbers. For example, 24. I'm taking here 24. So the 4 is in 24. Here this is ones place. This is tens place. So I am writing here face value. Face value is always same. So the 4 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place. 4 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place. So here face value of 4. Face value of 4. Face value always be same. Face value of 1. Face values of 2. Face value of always 3. So face value does not change the value. See, that is face value of 4 is 4 only. 4 is in any place. The face value of 4 is always 4. Face value of 2 is 2 only. Just listen carefully. If we keep ones, tens, hundreds, 2, 2, 2. If the 2 is in ones place, the face value is 2 only. Face value, I am discussing about face. Face-value, face value. So this 2 is in tens place. The face value here also 2 only. The 2 is in 100 place. Face value is always 2 only. So wherever we keep 2 is in different places, the face value does not change. That means face value always is equal to the number. So here 24 we have taken, 4 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, face value of 4, face value of 2, 2 is in tens place. If it is in tens place only, the face value of 2 is 2 only. Next, let's tell second. 36. 36. Here write like this. This is ones place, ones for ones place, write O only, for tens place T only. Here 6 is in ones place, face value of 6 is 6, face value of 3 is equal to 3 only. So here face value is not changing. Whether it is 3, face value is 3 only. Whether it is 6, the face value is 6 only. Wherever it is in place, in one place, the tens place, it is in 100 place, the face value does not change. So I am taking one more example. I finished 2 examples. Taking one more example here. 49. So write bigger like this, ones place, tens place. So face value of 9 equal to 9 only. Face value of 9 in ones place only, then the value is same. Face value of 4 equal to 4. Face value, there is no change. 9 is 9, 4 is 4. Face value of 9 is 9, face value of 4 is 4. So I will take one more example. Fourth one, 67. Ones place, tens place. Face value of 7 equal to 7 only. Face value of 6 only. Face value of 7 only. Face value of 6 is 6 only. I think you say this one 98. So 98 right here. Ones, tens. Face value of 8. Face value of 9. So there is no changing in face value. Then what is the number is that one only face value of that number. So I'm moving now place value. And discussing now I completed face value. Now we are discussing place value. See, I'm taking 23. So right here ones, tens. Now place value, right? Place value of 3. See, the 3 number is in ones place. 3 number is in ones place. So ones place means 1. 3 1 ja 3. 3 I am multiplying with ones place 1. 3 1 ja 3. Next 2 is in tens place. Tens place means 10. Ones place I am writing 1 here. Tens place I am writing here 10. So now place value of 2. 2 10 ja 20. 2 10 ja 20. So here place value of 3 is 3. Place value of 2. 2 is in tens place. Tens place means I written 10. 2 10 ja 20. This is the place value. So I'll discuss one more. 45. I think you understand this one. 3 is in ones place. So 3 1 ja 3. 2 is in tens place. 2 10 ja 20. Now 5 ones, tens, 1 10. Second 45. So I am writing in the ones place 1, tens place 10 number. Then place value of 5. Place value of 5. 5 1 ja 5. Place value of 4. 4 10 ja 40. Place value of 5. 5 1 ja 5. Place value of 4. 4 10 ja. See, just multiply. Table 4 10 ja 5 1 ja. 4 10 ja 40. So look, we discuss one more example for place value only. $69 ones, tens, 1 10 right here. Now place value of 9. 9 1 ja 1. 9. Place value of 6. 6 10 ja 60. I think you understand this one. Just I am writing in ones place 1, tens place 10. 9 1 ja 9. Tens place I written 10. 6 10 ja 60. Place value of 9 is 9. Place value of 6 is 60. The fourth one 75. 75 right. Place ones place, tens place 1 10. Now place 5 1 ja 5. Place value of 7, 7 10 ja 7. So this is the concept I discussed today, face value and place value. Now I am giving homework for you. Write face value and place value of given numbers. So this is the heading, write with red pen. First 45. See, underline number is 5. Write for this one, place value of 5. Place value of 5. Next, face value of 5. Right here the answers. Next, second, 65. Underline number is 6. Place value of 6. The same time, face value of 6. So 6, place value, face value. The third one, 37. So here I underline number is 7. Place value of 7. Face value of 3. Sorry. 7. Now fourth question. 62. So here write, underline these two. Place value of 6. Face value of 2. Then place value of 6. So 2 and go on 2. So you just finish these 4 problems. Thank you.